look, if anyone can vibe code at all, because everyone's talking about vibe coding,
Yeah.
SaaS apocalypse, um, they
Okay.
can code vulnerabilities. Why is a professional platform safer than a custom AI script?
As opposed to vibe coding, going with an established solution such as you've got the multi-layer security not only baked into where the data is held, the code itself, the external penetration testing, whatever it is, the multi-layer security within that data and making sure that it's sealed off, and the encryption that comes with that. There's DIY kind of scripts. First and foremost, are they doing that? Maybe not always. And secondly, do you have the expertise to know whether it's doing it is a whole other question. So understanding exactly what it's doing and maintaining it, being able to make changes and maintaining it. So it, keeping control of your sovereignty, having your data in a place that you can access and reliably understand what's going on with it. These are kind of tools provide you with the um, auditability and traceability of that data. Whereas when you're always having to react and update your own solution and vibe coding more and more and more into your solution, it can be quite easy to lose where the data's held or data handling protocols within that process. When some of this information can be really sensitive, so it's a much more reliable way of ensuring that your data is zipped up tight, I suppose.
Big difference between just a product which you vibe coded and a company, basically.
Absolutely, yeah.